Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how to switch between different equalizer presets. Both in the Bluetooth mode and in MP3 mode we've got two equalizer presets. In the Bluetooth mode we've got standard mode and vocal booster mode. Standard mode is just balance frequency for listening to music. Vocal booster mode, it enhances intermediate frequencies for audiobooks, podcasts, etc. And the MP3 mode, we've got standard mode, which is actually the same one, and swimming mode, which is actually projected actually to swimming. And to switch between these presets, you need to click this multifunctional button. This one, this circular one, 2 times, while you are listening to music, like this. While you are listening to music, click this button and you will see that your equalizer preset will switch. That's it, bye!